Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my glowier kind of everyday makeup. I am first off going to put these growing out butt head bangs of mine. Don't cut your bangs, just don't do it. Annoying AF to deal with. So I'm going to get those out of the way. If you haven't already, I just put a video out on how I curl my hair. It's not new to the world of beauty, but whatever products I use I've listed, and my curling wand that I use that I also love is linked in that video, so I'll pop in the iCards. And then I'm going to just start with the lips here and put on a little bit of lip chap. This is a Weleda Skin Food Lip Butter. So I'm going to show you the products that I use to achieve my healthier glow. I generally go for cream based if that's sort of the vibe that I want. But I switch between it says my everyday makeup, but I switch between powder products and cream products depending on what I'm feeling. And if I'm really feeling like being glowy and dewy looking, then I generally stick to cream only. So I've been watching a lot of Katie Jane Hughes stuff. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm addicted. I don't know if you even know her, and if you don't, and you love beauty products and tips on how to use your makeup, then you should definitely be following her. I think she's only on Instagram. She's a makeup artist, and she's just an Instagram sensation. I have a breakout. Fun. Had a little too many drinks last night. Had a little too many. My brain literally doesn't work. Few too many. I'm using the Glossier Priming Moisturizer. For those of you that don't know me, that's all I use. And her thing is dewy skin. So I learned this trick from her. I've already moisturized my face for the day, but now I'm just adding a little bit of moisturizer to the parts of my face that I want to highlight, and the rest of it I'm just kind of dabbing it in. Also, a makeup routine that I do when I have had a few too many drinks the night before. I went out last night, so my skin is looking a little bit extra dull, because alcohol will do that to you kids. Yeah, so that's kind of why I wanted to put makeup on. It's my day off and I don't really need makeup at all, but I just feel like looking a little less dead. Next, I am going in with a tinted moisturizer from Mercier. I'm in the color Cameo, the palest of them all. When I want to be dewy, I actually really enjoy the Mercier because it gives you that shine, because it is a tinted moisturizer, so it is just super glowy. I just use my fingers. So a trick I also have kind of learned from Katie Jane Hughes is that she uses a brush to apply her concealer all over her face. But this is from ColourPop. This is, doesn't say. It's just an eyeshadow brush, I'm pretty sure, but it's nice and fluffy, and it's tapered enough that it gets into the little spots that you want. But I tried this little trick because I've been watching her videos religiously lately, and this is what she does. So I'm just going to dip into the Glossier Stretch Concealer, and she just brushes it into her skin. And I like to take concealer up here just because I get veiny eyelids, and I also look like a tired troll today, because I am. And the Glossier Stretch Concealer is so good when you want a glossy, dewy kind of vibe. I don't mind that my natural breakouts show, because I want this to look like skin. So this peskier breakout needs a little bit of love. So we're gonna pop a little concealer. This one is also being a bit of a dink, so I'm gonna cover that too. But it won't completely cover. There is they're a bit raised, so I'm still gonna see them, which is fine. I don't really care. Something just like clicked back there, which really freaks me out because it's probably a ghost. Let me know if you see them in the comments below. But I'm not looking or paying attention. I'm literally scaring myself right now. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Again, trying to be glowy, so using glowy products. I'm literally looking in the viewfinder now because I'm just scared myself and I think there's a ghost in the room. Oh. Good one, yeah. I am going to go in now with bronzer and sticking with like the creamy products for this. I am actually using the Chanel Soleil Tan de Soleil. Jesus. Soleil Tan de Chanel. I don't think I'll ever get that right, but that's what I'm using. And the Selfie Ready Stipple Brush from e.l.f. And I really freaking like this bronzer. I just love the way that this like blends in like it's your skin. And it turns into this like perfect, not sticky, doesn't separate. It's honestly totally worth it. It's like 50 bucks or something. But you're gonna have it forever. I've used it like 20 times. I swear you can't even tell. And I just tap like that, and look how much product comes off. Like, I think I'll have this bronzer till I die. I think I'll ever have to repurchase. Just buff it in. The best thing about using cream is like you can just really mold it and make it do what you want. Oops. Made him show again. Bye. Everybody gets sets. I should have wrote a book like that. You know when you were a kid and it was like everybody poops? Everyone gets pimples would have been nice. Because man, they make you insecure. For no freaking good reason, because we all get them. And then I rub a little bit on my eyes. Just in like a very messy way. Just add some color and like sun-kissedness, which we like, and then I'll do a little on the nose. Just with whatever is like left over on your brush. And I am going in with a cream blush. This is my all-time favorite blush from ColourPop. It is called Between the Sheets. And it's this beautiful, rosy, like a dark rose. Going in with the exact same brush that I used the bronzer. Just, again, I just tap light bit product. With blush in general, I kind of put a little here, but I mainly focus blush here. The thing about blush is to find where you naturally get flush. Maybe that's why they named it blush, because it rhymed. Push blush more here. I just think it looks more natural, especially if you're trying to be like sun-kissed. I swear I'm gonna burn. And the rest of it's gonna go on the old eyelids. Just a good layer on top of the bronzer. And a little on the nose. Because you want to look a little bit like a cute sunburn. But don't actually get sunburn because it's bad for you. Wrinkles and skin cancer. And then that's that for the base. Super chill. Still glowing. Oh wait, just kidding. Another ColourPop product. This is the highlighter in Lunch Money Super Shock cheek line as well. Well loved. And these are hella pigmented. So I just tap a little. I do a little C into the eyebrow and onto the cheek. And Lunch Money is just like super natural. Then we're gonna avoid the pimple. Okay, so that's the base. Base is done. So I'm using Benefit Gimme Brow and the color 3. I'm normally a chocolate brown, but I dye my hair blonde. So I'm kind of in the middle with the brows. I figured this out. One of my videos I was like, I don't know who taught Estee Lauder this, but it was Katie Jane Hughes. To backcomb your brows, game changer. Katie Jane Hughes has literally changed my life. This is the best brow product, I swear. Like, not a lot of product comes out on the wand. You don't have to like pull it out and then like wipe it off like you do with mascara and stuff like that. I think the wand is the perfect size. It's not too small and it really picks up the hairs and gets them to stand up. And it has a lot of like fibrous technology in there to make them foofy and floofy and exactly what you want. It does carry a little bit, which is annoying, but just wipe it off. I'm going in with Glossier's Lash Slick. This is the best everyday mascara. Just picks up every single lash. It's not going to give you volume whatsoever. So good though. So lifting. It's a lifter lengthener mascara. That is the makeup. That's probably how I would leave the house, to be honest. I don't really wear like a lip on the reg. CoverGirl doesn't sell these anymore. It's devastating. They're like these little lip stainy things. I think I've had this for 100 years. But yeah, for the sake of the video, I'll add a little color to my head. So I don't look like completely dying. That's probably what I would normally do, like a little lip stain and some lip chap. Very low-key, low maintenance. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like the video down below, subscribe to my channel if you want to catch more videos from me. As well, you can follow me on my blog. That's linked in the description box as well, just layla.lane.cooper.com. There are 2 posts per week, and then my YouTube post for Friday, which will also start to be like a linked blog post as well, together. But yeah, you can read my blog, and if people still read, I don't know if we do. Yeah, there's way more content there that you can catch more daily, as well as my Instagram at layla_lane. They're both just like an extension of my channel, but more consistent and every day. So if you're interested, go follow those things, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!